Welcome back, guys. So today, you guessed it, we're gonna play a 3DS form, and we're gonna play Alpha Sapphire. So basically, I tried to randomize it, but I don't. But it did not happen. So we're just gonna play the normal Alpha Sapphire. So we're gonna choose English and begin game. So I've never played Alpha Sapphire before, so I don't know what will happen. But I know that this is one of the first game which has introduced Mega Evolution. So yeah, you can see the start part. Am I a boy or girl? I'll choose boy. Okay, finally I've got the controls, so let's go out. Okay, so my mother's talking to me. She's taking me inside. Let's go in. Okay, there are some machokes who are training or not training. They are what are they doing? They are picking up loads. Okay, so let's see. May. Oh, is that May? Okay, yeah, that is May. I think she's gonna come and talk to me. Pokemons are fully restored and items, huh? Huh. Who are you? You must be Pranav. Yes, I am Pranav. Okay, blah 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 blah. I don't have time to read all this. Just give me my starter Pokemon. And I think they will even give you Mega Evolution in this game. So that's a very good feature. And let's go out. Yeah, we just need to see if the randomization has worked correctly. So let's just talk to him. And I think this is the same way as Pokemon Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald. Help me. Yeah, that's Professor Birch. I know that. I don't know why does he always walk, why does he always run from a Poochyena? That is so small in size, he can just take a Pokemon from his bag and use it, but no, he wants my help. Okay, fine then, I'll help you, Professor Birch. Let me see my starters. Okay, they are not randomized, fine then, we are not going to play this randomized. Okay, so Torchic, Mudkip and Trico. So I'm going to pick between Trico and Torchic. So Mega Blaziken is very good. Even Mega Sceptile is good, but I think I'm gonna go with Torchic. Uh, did I make the correct choice? Mega Blaziken. I think yeah, we're gonna choose Torchic, and we're gonna nickname all our main Pokemons. Okay, Poochyena has appeared. Okay, the game is getting a bit laggy. Let's see, what attack do you have? Oh, you have Ember, that's good. Against this Poochyena. It is about half damage. Tackle is not going to do much. And next Ember will knock it out. So I think you nickname it at the Professor of Lab, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, you nickname it over there. Good. Phew, I went into tall grass to survey wild Pokemon when it suddenly jumped. You saved my life. Thank you. Okay, blah 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 blah. Come on, let's just quickly mash buttons and go to his lab. Okay, there you go. I received my Torchic. Yup, we will give him a nickname. So we're gonna name it Rook. Where are the capital letters? Okay, R-O-O-K, Rook. That's a good name. I think it is. Okay, Yup, we will battle May. And I think May chooses the advantage which we have. That means if we have a Torchic, that means he would have chosen Mudkip. So I think it goes the same way. So let's just quickly go. And in this game, looks like this is the max speed of running. Let's see. Okay, Pokemon has come. We need to defeat the maximum amount of Pokemon. So I'll be back after I train it up to level 8. Well, I was just training and this random dude came to me. And I know he's gonna just give me a potion. Or is he just gonna show me the Pokemon? Don't tell me. I know you're gonna give me a potion, right? Potion. That means more than one potion. That's good. Okay, that's good. Now enough of talking. Let's straight head to. Okay. Have a great journey. Thank you, Mr. Unknown. We're gonna go into the Pokemon Center. Let's see. The first time we're entering a Pokemon Center. Whoa, why is it dark? Whoa, what is this? This is what happens when you enter the Pokemon Center for first time? That's very good. Happy birthday to you, Pranav. It's your special day. Oh yes, I totally forgot that today is my birthday. But this Citra emulator remembers my birthday. That's very good. Oh, I actually forgot that today was my birthday. Happy birthday. Please keep visiting the Pokemon Center for many years to come. Okay, that is a very good thing. We did not even know, and we just got a birthday wish from what is this? Nozjoy. Yeah, Nozjoy. Okay, welcome. Okay, that was good. Now we're gonna go out and do our second save. Okay, so this is what happens on your birthday in Alpha Sapphire or Omega Ruby, I think. Welcome back, guys. We are all trained up. I'll show you. Or you will see in the battle, and yeah, as you can see, my character has got a lot glitchy. He has got white, I know, because my PC is not so suitable for what is it, Alpha Sapphire or 3DS games. So we're gonna go here. We trained our, and I even have a surprise for you. Some glitches happened, and in middle of those glitches, a Pokemon came into my party. And if you hear the Pokemon, you'll get a bit shocked. And see, I have two Pokemon, but I still don't have any Pokeballs. So if you are wondering how this fellow got that Pokemon, it's all because of some glitches happened. And I'll show you. And you will see that in May's battle, which is coming now. We're gonna go here and talk to May. She's gonna have a battle with us. Okay, let's see how powerful are you, May. Okay, so May's character has not got glitchy. Let's see what level is her Mudkip. Okay, Black Eyes Mudkip, that's weird. Okay, so now it's finally time to show you the Pokemon. If you have still not checked it, it's Mewtwo. You heard it right, it's actually a Mewtwo. Can you believe that? That too with an all-rounding moveset, and I checked it up on Google and I saw that Mewtwo cannot learn Boom Burst or Dazzling Gleam unless it's a Mega Mewtwo Y. But actually I got this Mewtwo somehow, so I'm gonna use it when I'm at a big trouble. Whoa, did you see how that scratch went? It went like Torchic went in front of it, scratched its head, and it came back. I'll show you again. Wait, yeah, see, Goldfish. Wait, yeah, see, it's coming back like that. That looks cool, but we're gonna defeat it by using our final move, Ember. I don't think I'll use Mewtwo for a while, because Mewtwo is too overpowered. We all know how overpowered is Mewtwo. That's great. You're pretty good. Yup, May, I'm sure good. Welcome back, guys. I just took the Pokédex and Pokeballs and came. And let me know in the comments if you want to continue the series or not. So we're just gonna keep mashing buttons. And today I'm just gonna be doing a short video. And May is taking me somewhere. So let's follow May. And whoa, I can already see so many glitches. Okay, there's some Pokemon in the grass. I don't need a Zigzagoon, but it can be useful for HMs. Very useful. And I think the best HM boy in the world is Mew. I know I made a mythical Pokemon HM boy, but I don't have a Mew. So no need for you to. Oh, now the game is not lagging one bit. We can just keep mashing buttons. What? There's a Pokemon there. Wait, how do I get that? You want? Try closing. Push lightly on the circle pad. Okay, like that. Okay, let's try to sneak. Come on. Come on. Yeah, almost reached it. Almost. Yep, we reached it. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's just a Poochyena. I thought it will be interesting, but no. Just we're just gonna run away from it because I don't want to Poochyena. Oh, there's one more Pokemon there. Let's see. Oh, that's just a man. Okay, looks like that's it, me. Okay, now we're gonna go straight over here and to the Pokemon Center, and we're gonna heal up our Pokemon. And yeah, guys, that's it for this episode. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know if you want to continue this series or not. So that's it. I did not use Mewtwo for this, but for the sake of this challenge, let me just use it once. If you do not agree on playing this, let me just switch it up. And I got it at level 13 itself, so that's good. Please, may don't come to me. I just want to do some Pokemon over here. Oh, that's a Pokemon there. Oh, that's just a Zigzagoon. I don't need a Zigzagoon. Let's walk. Come on, come on. What is it? Okay, it's just a Poochyena. Okay, so Mewtwo. Whoa, looks at the cool sprite of Mewtwo. Pressure. And now Aura Sphere, Psychic, Dazzling Gleam, Boom. But I think I'm gonna go for Aura Sphere. And boom. Okay, that was very good. So yeah, guys, that's it for this episode. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.